Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 and an XLT trim, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below, as well as the Sport Appearance package, giving you color-matched front and rear bumpers, unique rims, and unique interior cloth. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with the black sport cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders, 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, alternate camera view with your forward facing camera, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. Moving on to the right here, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet with a bin underneath with another USB and USB-C. Then you've got your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space. Then you've got two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray inside, ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C. But then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.